Wolfgang Schüssel, the Federal Chancellor of Austria.
From where I was in the grid, obviously having qualified 7th, it was important to start heavy and just to have the options open depending on how the race went. I was able to lean the engine out early on after the first few laps and save quite a few laps of fuel, as well as obviously with the safety car, and that enabled us to go quite long.
Gentlemen, congratulations.
Just to explain why I wasn't spraying the champagne, for those at home who don't realise, we lost a very important member of the team, Paul Morgan, this weekend, and winning this Grand Prix I think is a big boost for everyone in the team.
By Dr. Susanna Riespatzer, the Vice Chancellor, Minister for Sport.
I was a little bit upset, obviously, because there was no way he could make that corner, and all he was trying to do is to take me with him out of the circuit. And I mean, he was lost anyway, and to do something to me, then I thought it wasn't really what he should have done, because I had to go into the grass. I couldn't turn in. I nearly hit him, so it wasn't ideal. But that's the way it had gone, and I'm sure be sure I will have a word with him.
Presented by Werner Kraus, the Vice President of the Austrian Automobile Club, the OAM.
The team has asked me to do that.
Are you very unhappy about that?
No, I'm unhappy about the situation. I was winning almost the whole Grand Prix, and then of course David went longer, and I lost the race basically like that. That's why I'm feeling unhappy.